Hello everyone, and welcome to our how-to training videos. Today, I'm going to present you how to create a new Stripe account. This is an important step for the creation of your online shop, as to sign up with our store's e-commerce platform, you need first to have an active Stripe account. As a reminder, Stripe is a major payment card processing company, operating all around the world. When your clients purchase products from your online shop, and make credit and debit card payments, Stripe takes care of the funds that will be transferred between accounts, with the highest level of security, so that everyone can rely on the entire process, with peace of mind. Your money really matters. Let's now get to the main topic of this training, which is how to create a new Stripe account. For the following, you should use your Windows or Mac computer, rather than a mobile device, as you will need to enter some important information, which would be hard to do on a mobile device, where space is limited. On your computer, you can use any browser, like Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer, or Safari. Step 1. Have your bank checking account available. Both your account number and your bank routing number are required. This is because your Stripe account needs to be connected to your bank checking account, so that payments made by your clients will be directly deposited into your bank account by Stripe. Stripe will take care of creating that connection and needs your checking account information. We will show you in another video how to connect your shop with your Stripe account, which is very important, as that's how your clients' payments will be transferred to your bank account. Now go to Stripe website at www.stripe.com. On their main page, click on Create Account Now. Step 2. On the Create Your Stripe Account screen, do the following. Enter your email address. Enter your full name. Enter a good password. Typically a good password is made of at least 8 uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters, like the hash sign and the exclamation point. Re-enter the same password. Click on the checkbox next to I'm not a robot. You may be asked to answer to a challenge question, which for instance will be about clicking on some pictures, on a mosaic of pictures, containing something specific, like a storefront, traffic lights, traffic signs, or cars, etc. Finally, click on Create Your Stripe Account button. You're now done with the creation of your Stripe account, and should see a dashboard, which in the future, will show you all the transactions made by your clients, and other information about your account too. Step 3. Give a name to your account, by clicking Add a Name, then in the pop-up message, enter an account name, and click on Update Account. You should now see your account name, in the upper left corner of the page. Step 4. This step is very important, as it is about activating your Stripe account, which will then make it fully operational. Click on Activate Your Account. It will display a screen, inviting you to go to your email account, and open a verification email sent by Stripe, which is to make sure that the email belongs to you. Open that email, and click on Confirm Email Address. Step 5. Upon email verification, you will be asked to log into your Stripe account again. Enter your account credentials, and click on Sign into your account. Step 6. Back to your account activation. Click on Activate Your Account. Then, on the displayed activation form, enter your business address. For the type of business, select the one that applies to yours, in the drop-down list. Some selections may slightly modify the questionnaire. Somewhere, you will be asked to provide your business website address, please do so. If you don't have any website, provide a link to your Facebook, or LinkedIn public profile, or another one. Stripe is obligated by its financial partners, to confirm they have verified what your business is, and they are not engaging in a business that is either illegal, or prohibited. Depending on your selected type of business, you may also allow Stripe to access your basic profile, on Facebook, or LinkedIn, or Google. This is again to verify your identity. You should trust Stripe, they will not use your profile information, to post to your account on your behalf. At the end of the account activation form, you will have to enter your bank routing number, and your checking account number twice. Make sure the information that you have entered is correct. Finally, click on Submit Application. If the form is incorrect, you will be asked to correct it until the submission goes through, then you will receive a "Thanks for activating your account" message. At this point, you're done with your new Stripe account activation. Just for your information, at your next Stripe account login, you will be asked to provide your mobile phone number to do what is called a two-step verification, restricting your Stripe account access only to you, who are the owner of your email address and password and mobile number. The first step during the login is to provide your email and password. After successful verification, Stripe will text you a 6-digit code. During the second step, you will need to enter that code to gain access to your Stripe account. Your money really matters, and Stripe protects your access. This ends our training video, how to create a new Stripe account. And thanks for watching.